My base Bronco came with 30-inch wheels. It was already a little too high off the ground for some family members, and I put 33 inches, and some people struggle to get in. So I bought the Westin Pro Traxx 4 Oval Nerf Bars, and I'm going to try to install it right now. Here's everything that came in the box: the 2 bars, the 6 plastic covers for the clamps, 2 front clamps, 2 center clamps, and 2 rear clamps. They actually stamp FCR, so you know what goes where, and a bag full of hardware and instructions, of course. So let's get started. Separating out the hardware like this helps a little bit, so don't have to search. This is the pinch weld, and there are 2 threaded holes, one here, and this clamp is supposed to go in like this. So I'm gonna loosely install it right now and tighten them later. And there's the front clamp loosely installed. I just hand tighten these two. It is a little different. There's one threaded hole here, and there's one threaded hole inside. The center bracket sits like this. Here's the center bracket loosely installed using these 2 bolts. The bracket is kind of similar to the center one. There's a threaded hole here and a threaded hole there. So this bracket sits like this. The next step is to install these plastic covers onto the brackets using the hardware provided, and then the bar goes in. Tightening these was not easy. They clearly are cosmetic, and because of the way this plastic is, it's not easy to get a wrench and tighten them down. Probably can skip it. So as installing the passenger side, I figured I can actually seat this plastic, take out the clamp, then I tighten them, and then I can install the clamp back. That's easier. Just finished installing all these 3 plastic brackets. That was not fun. Next step is installing the bars. The bars have 2 threaded holes that fit into this bracket with the provided hardware. So just finished tightening all the clamps to the body. The ones on the outside you can easily reach with a drill driver. These not so much. I used a hand ratchet. It looks really good, especially with the black and white theme I got going on. Black fenders, black roof, and the rails are also black. So let's test this out. Okay, the rubber grip is nice and wide. I don't have to aim my feet somewhere. Pretty easy to get in. Pretty easy to get out. In front, same thing. It's as wide as the door itself. Nice grip. Easy to get in. Easy to get up. So far so good. Let's see if a 4-year-old can do the same. Nice. How easy was it? Thank you. The bar is probably an inch below the frame. I don't rock crawl, so it should be fine. It's the same procedure to install on the passenger side as well. Ciao.